Welcome back. In our previous video, we covered how to choose and register a domain name. Now that you've got your domain, the next step is selecting the right web hosting provider. A reliable hosting provider ensures your website is always accessible and performs smoothly. Let's explore some key tips to help you make the best choice. What is web hosting? So, what exactly is web hosting? Web hosting is a service that stores your website's files and makes them available on the internet. Think of it as renting a space for your website on a server. Without hosting, your site won't be live for others to access. Types of hosting. There are different types of web hosting, each designed for specific needs. Here's a quick breakdown. Shared hosting. Great for beginners and small websites. Your site shares server resources with others, making it affordable but with limited performance. VPS, Virtual Private Server. A step up from shared hosting, offering more control and better performance. Ideal for growing websites with moderate traffic. Dedicated server. You get an entire server to yourself. This is perfect for large websites or businesses that need maximum performance and security. Cloud hosting. Flexible and scalable hosting that uses multiple servers. It's excellent for handling traffic spikes and is highly reliable. Key tips for choosing a web hosting provider. Some well-known hosting providers include Bluehost, SiteGround, and Hostinger. Each offers various plans to fit different budgets and needs. Explore their features, pricing, and trial periods before deciding. And there you have it. Our tips for selecting a web hosting provider. Choosing the right host can make or break your website's success, so take the time to research and pick wisely. In our next video, we'll guide you through installing WordPress and setting up your website. See you there!